In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Affirm payments on your Shopify store. First, we'll get the Affirm app installed from the Shopify App Store. Open the Shopify App Store and search for the Affirm Payments app. Make sure you're logged into the correct Shopify store, especially if you manage multiple shops. On the app page, click the Add App button. Shopify will show a permission screen outlining what the app needs to function. Review those details, then click Install App to grant access. This connects the app to your store, so it can display Affirm as a payment option at checkout. If you don't see the Add App button, you may need the right staff permissions, so double-check your admin access, or ask the store owner to install it for you. Next, connect your Affirm account. When prompted, select your country or region. This ensures Affirm is configured for the correct market and regulatory requirements. You'll then be redirected to the Affirm merchant dashboard to sign in. Use your approved merchant credentials so Shopify can securely link your store to your Affirm account. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, complete that verification as well. Once you're signed in, Affirm will finish the handshake with Shopify and bring you back to your store. If anything looks off here, confirm you chose the correct region and that you're logging into the Affirm merchant account associated with this store. Finally, activate Affirm in your store. From your Shopify admin, go to Settings and then Payments. In the list of payment providers, locate Affirm and verify that the account status indicates it's connected. If it's connected, you're ready to choose how to go live. You can activate in testing mode or turn it on directly. Testing mode is great if you want to safely simulate the checkout flow and confirm everything works without processing real transactions. When you're ready for customers to use it, switch out of testing and activate it live. Be sure to save your changes before you exit the page. Once activated, Affirm will appear as a payment option at checkout, giving your customers the flexibility to pay over time. That's all you need to do. Install the app, connect your merchant account, and activate it from your payment settings. If the connection doesn't show as active, refresh your admin page or sign out and back in. Then recheck the payment settings. With Affirm enabled, you're offering a clear, convenient buy now, pay later option that can help reduce friction and support higher conversions at checkout.